The difference between conflict and bullying. When you hear the word bullying, you might picture arguments, fights, or drama between people. But here's the thing, not every conflict is bullying, and knowing the difference is important because it changes how we respond. So, what is conflict? Conflict, it's a normal part of life. It happens when people disagree with one another, want different things, or see a situation from different perspectives. Conflict might involve an argument with a friend, a debate in class, or frustration between coworkers. While conflict can be uncomfortable, it doesn't unnecessarily mean someone is being bullied. In healthy conflict, the people usually involved have equal power for one another, and both sides have a chance to express their views of what they think about it. What is bullying? Bullying, it's not just a disagreement, it happens repeatedly. It uses power to harm, control, or intimidate someone else. It's deliberate, it happens more than once, and it creates an imbalance of power. This power could come from physical strength, social status, or even control over information. So it's like blackmailing. Unlike conflict, the target of bullying doesn't have an equal voice and often feels powerless to stop what's happening. Here's an example, okay? If two classmates argue about who should go first in a game, that's conflict. It's not bullying. They're on equal ground, but if one student keeps mocking one another, spreads rumors, or threatens them every time they play, now that's bullying right there. The difference is the pattern, the intent of it, and the power imbalance. Why does it matter? Because conflict can be resolved through communication, compromise, or problem solving. But bullying requires a different approach. It often needs outside support from other people, clear boundaries, and sometimes it may require intervention from adults or leaders or elsewhere. So the takeaway is this: conflict is a normal part of human relationships. It's always going to happen. And it can even help us grow if you handle it respectfully. Bullying, on the other hand, it's harmful behavior and it needs to be stopped. Understanding the difference between the two helps us respond in the right way, solving conflicts peacefully and standing up against bullying whenever it happens. This is Waylon Barrett at Patch, and it's the difference between conflict and bullying.